Want to turn your photos into pixel art? Here's how to do it in Adobe Firefly. Start by opening firefly.adobe.com. Next, go to the Image section and select Pixel Art. Before generating your image, choose the AI model you want to work with. Different models may produce slightly different results, so feel free to experiment and find the one that best matches your style. Select your preferred aspect ratio, then choose quality settings. Now add a reference image that you want to transform into pixel art. This can be a landscape photo, a character, an illustration, or any other image you'd like to use as a starting point. After that, write your prompt. Make sure to mention that you want the image created in a pixel art style. For example, you can create anything from a nostalgic countryside scene to a retro RPG environment or a classic 16-bit game background. The more specific your prompt is, the more control you'll have over the final result. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate. Adobe Firefly will analyze your reference image and use your prompt to create a unique pixel art version. If you don't get exactly the result you're looking for on the first try, experiment with different prompts, reference images, and settings to explore different styles and variations. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can transform almost any image into retro-inspired pixel art and create unique visuals using Adobe Firefly.